How to see who viewed your profile on TikTok. Now, in order for this to work, you will need a setting turned on that will also let other people see when you viewed their profile, but I'll show you a little workaround for that. So start out on your profile page. Then, towards the top right corner, you'll see this little icon with two footprints. At least I think that's what it's supposed to be. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you can see since I currently have this setting turned off, you'll need to click on the turn on button in the bottom right corner. Once you've turned it on, you'll be able to see everyone that's viewed your profile in the last 30 days. Just to go back to your profile again, to get back to this page, just tap on the icon. Now it'll be on. If you don't want people to see that you viewed their profile, but you just want to quickly look at yours, once you've turned this on, go ahead and tap on the gear icon and then turn it back off again. That's all there is to it. Before you go, check this out.